Good morning guys. Today we are going to discuss trend in USD INR and other currency market. There is two type of trend, upside trend and downside trend. We are going to discuss both type of trend, upside and downside. How do we get this trend in live market, right? This is a short video of price action about trend that will help you in live market how to make a good profit through trendy market. Before we are starting a video, we are going to discuss some key points. Like previously I uploaded some videos on consolidation phase of market. What is consolidation phase? Consolidation phase of market, there is a that is a phase where market is going to consolidate, accumulate. There is a little bit range bound market. It means there is a support or there is a resistance, and it will going happens up down same price level. It means it little bit between 10 paise to 5 paise movement. That is a consolidation phase, right? During consolidation period there is no confirmation about trend, right? Because there is a lot of sellers, lot of buyers, they are going to exit their position or make a new position. That's why that phase is known as consolidation phase, right? Then we got a new trend after consolidation period, either up either down. Take, I will show you some consolidation phase, then after we got trend, right? This is a consolidation phase. There is a make a lot of positions in market, then we got a next day trend upward, right? Then same on that day we got, here is consolidation period, right? In consolidation period there is two direction. First is resistance and second is support, right? If break resistance then we move to upward, if break down support then we got downside, we got fall, right? So that is the trend. Okay, then we talk about previous some trendy market, right? If we follow price action, right, I will show you. Now friends, there is a consolidation phase, right? That is a consolidation phase, you see that, right? Between 74 rupees 60 paisa and 74 rupees 55 paisa, right? There is a range bound market, and then we got breakout because there is a candle, there is a candle, bullish formation candle. Either we have a inverted hammer candle, then we got a bullish candle, then previously we got two bullish candle, highly bullish recommended candle, then we got a sharp breakout, right? You will see that, you will see that here, that is 1 2 3 4. It means key four top are touched at resistance level, right? That is a resistance level 74 rupees 60 paisa, and then at the fourth time it will be breakout and then goes to upside, right? That is the consolidation phase. After consolidation phase we got a trend, right? We got a trend. So that time we have entry timing. Okay, if we get got entry that place, that price, we got almost good profit, right? We got, if we captured before entry price, then we got also more and more profit, right? Then again we there are seller book, there are some there are some bidders are going to book their profit, then goes to market downside. That is a corrective mode profit. Take, that is corrective, that is the correction of the market, right? Or that bullish formation, either bullish either bearish formation, that is called the uh, there is some little bit disturbance about my surroundings, so that's why. Bullish or bearish pattern, it's a impulsive trend, right? Please watch full video, because I'm going to telling about trend. It's only I'm discuss basic of trend. Okay, now I'm start a little bit advanced of trend market. Now let's see what is a upward trend, what is the downward trend. When market goes bullish is upward trend, and market goes down, it's downward trend. That is a very simple, that is theoretically, which is not applicable in live market, right? So we have a previous some labels, some chart, right? So friends, we are going to discuss, right? First here, how to tackle bit trend, how to catch the trend. First we use pivot line, right? A study, we are going and type here pivot, right? After pivot we use pivot line, and pivot line are defined support and resistance in the market, right? If you can't calculate the support and resistance and data of the market, you can use easily pivot line, but here I am not going to use any pivot line, right? So I removed it. Now we see that here some technical issue, I think. It's morning 7:27 in Zerodha. There is a technical maintenance right now. Now there is some technical issue in Zerodha, because their maintenance time between 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Saturday to Sunday. Okay, so we have a upward trend, and we got it upward trend. So first we find a support and resistance. If we find support and resistance, then we got a good trend, and then we got a make a good profit, right? First we have support 45 paisa, 74 rupees 45 paisa almost. We got one time, two times, three times, right? Triple bottom formed here, then third bottom it will retrace back and goes upside, right? It will show you it is a trend, right? If if support uh, first time not break, second time not break, third time is not break, then it will goes up speedily, ठीक है ना? If from if the market touch the resistance line, and it will going to highly fall, right? If market touch support line and not break down, that is going to highly up, right? One free fall, one free up are going to make there. Then we find out support 1 2 3 times going to here triple bottom, then goes to up. It means a seller buyer does not seller does not want market goes down, right? Not seller, not seller, buyer does not want market goes down. Buyer wants volume, wants buyer wants ki market will goes up. That is the profit of the buyers, right? Then market goes up, it's a trending market upside. Then how do we find out these levels on live market? It's a simple, it's a simple way we find live levels on market. We find first we find out resistance and support. I every day videos I repeat there, support and resistance, find support and resistance, find support and resistance, right? So we got support, and after support market will go up, right? And then support is shifted, right? Here we have a resistance level 50 paisa, then there is a support of that trendy market. If we talk about resistance, So there is a resistance 50 paisa, right? Then after breakout resistance it will convert into support. You got it, right? So first support is shifted to 50 paisa, then second support, third support is shifted to 55 paisa something, right? And then fourth support is going to shifted 60 paisa, almost I will notified you 58.75 paisa, right? There is support. Shifting of support is called uptrend, right? Now how to find out a resistance? That is your resistance level. So how do we find out resistance level at the top? Because there is a market is closed, that's why I'm telling you that is support. But in live market, how do we find? Simple. If we talk about, if we going to use 30-minute candle, right friends? If we going to use 30-minute candle and we find out some labels, right? We found out some labels. Here is the level 74 rupees 75 is the resistance, right? There is a one touch, two touch, three touch and fourth touch, then we got breakout, right? After breakout we goes to 75 plus, right? So that is, if we analyze previous candles, previous days candle, then we find out resistance easily. Because in live market, how do we find resistance? No, because there is no resistance stable going on that live market, right? It easy way to find resistance, you goes to data and you see the, you analyze the depth of the market, what want by the seller and the buyer, and the open interest and the VWAP, and there is a lot of factors in the market which define the support and resistance, right? It will not a one day game, it will a game of whole of your life. It teach you something bigger than. Now we talk about resistance. So if we talk about resistance, where the market start free fall, start a speed fall, highly fall, right? There is you look at out two candle, just two candle, it will going to vanish every your buying position. Two candle it will going in 10 minutes it will fall almost 7 paisa. So we find out that is the resistance level where seller doesn't want seller doesn't want market goes down, market goes up, right? So they are going to selling more and more and more and more volumes, right? How do we find where volume add-in? Simple, I will tell you. Here market is off, that's why we going to having 0 0, right? There is open interest up down that place, and volume is going to up and down, right? In if you going at NSE website, you see the VWAP calculation, uh, you see the change in open interest. Change in open interest, it will tell you which direction market will goes in. Now after take a resistance, market which goes down, then up, then down, it test 1 2 3, right? Triple top formation, 1 2 3, that is W formation or triple top formation, then market goes down speed, that is a bearish trend. I will tell you where the market touch the resistance and take a resistance, then market goes down, and markets touch a support and doesn't break down, that then market will goes up speed at at a, at a speedily, right? Then there is a consolidation mode also, right? I will show you. In market there is a three phase always: uptrend, downtrend, and third is consolidation phase. That is the phase is conso fade, accumulative fade, right? So that is the phase is consolidation phase. Levels between 64 पैसा to 5 का it's a tick, right? Then we have a downside 60 पैसा almost, right? That period is accumulation period or consolidation phase, right? Here if you going to make a position either up either down, it will goes wrong if you haven't much fund for recovery of that loss, right? Because no one knows market will where go, right? If you do prediction, it's all about gambling. It's a trading is not a gambling, it's not a binary, it's not a binary trading. Binary trading, it's almost like that, and that is also gambling, right? So trading is not a gambling. Trading is the game of mindset. Trading is the game of technical analysis. Trading is a game of making money and also fun in your life, right? So we after consolidation phase we got a breakdown. Which type of breakdown I will show you in Zoom picture. We saw that candles, right? Doji candle, inverted hammer candle, then bearish, highly bearish. It means I in price action you will see that video in the description, sorry, in the I button, right? That is the highly bearish candle in red color. It will any color, okay, as you like. And if candle going to highly in green colored, that will show you volumes in buying position, then market goes up, and then that is the in red color market goes down, right? That type of candle is a highly recommended recommendation candle of bearish or bullish. Or then one of the candle is Marabuzu candle, that is exceptional made candle, sometime it will made, right? So we have to here uh, right, we got a hammer candle, then we got breakdown, that candle break down the next candle, then we got breakdown next candle. It means ki if candles respect next candle, it will respect next and next candle, it will goes down. That simultaneously it will break out next candle, respect the next candle, it will goes up, right? So that is the trend. It means ki not every but 80 times you got right, 80 times, right? 80 times, it means 80% you got right position after consolidation phase of market, right? During analysis I will tell you, in yesterday, uh, 2nd July, there is a I posted a image on Telegram. I so I will tell you that is the trend is a consolidation phase trend of USD INR. That's why I'm not going to make any position. I exit my all position and market will goes to sharply down. You see, sharply market goes down, right? There is a resistance, there is a support. That is what is the resistance? So 750325 is the highly resistance zone. It will goes 1 to 2 paisa up down minorly up or down, it will happen in the market, right? Because fake breakout, it will trap you. Then we got not upside breakout, then we got downside breakdown and market goes down sharply. You see that after breakdown, that is what is the breakdown level, that is the breakdown level, but that is the not actual breakdown level, that is the breakdown level is 9875. I notified that level is the support zone, right? Highly support zone, but support zone is break, then after breakdown market goes down almost 8 paisa. Got it, friends? There is a bottom formation 1 2 3 and 4. It means support test 4 times, resistance test 1 2 3 times, right? 3 times. Seller does not want market goes up, a buyer does not want market goes down. That's why buyer also buying there and make a good formation there, and market, it will happens here, it will market. You see that you have a good, trend. Then we got upside breakout in next candle. We are not going to discuss about what is the technical analysis of Monday. That is, I am going to telling you how to find out trend, how to find out support and resistance. So I hope ki you all are well and you got this video early morning. And my trading experience and my timing of trading started from not 9 a.m. My trading actually started from 4 a.m. to 12 p.m. till night, right? That is not the time of the trading, but I'm in a learning mode, so that I'm going to learn or specified some more thing, evaluate some more thing to me. And I shared you something to all, to make a new generation, I make a new era of currency, right? Hope so. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.